Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Buick Regal headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx wrench, a 7mm socket, and a pick tool. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and cool to the touch before you begin any work. Now, open the hood to get a clear view of the headlight area. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Next, we need to access the hidden fasteners. Start by removing the 3 bolts located within the fender liner, right near the headlight assembly. Once those are out, carefully pull the bumper back a bit. This action will reveal additional mounting bolts that secure the headlight. Remember to be gentle to avoid scratching your bumper or damaging any clips. Now it's time to detach the headlight. You'll find several mounting bolts. Make sure to remove all of them, including any that were hidden behind the bumper. Once the bolts are out, carefully disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the headlight assembly. With everything unbolted and unplugged, you can now gently wiggle and maneuver the entire headlight assembly out of its position. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Carefully guide the headlight assembly back into its mounting location. Reconnect all electrical connectors, ensuring they click firmly into place, then securely fasten all the mounting bolts. Before fully reassembling the bumper, turn on your headlights to confirm they are working correctly. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.